Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to manage customers in Shopify properly so you can build better relationships, increase repeat sales, and run your store more efficiently in 2026. Customer management in Shopify is more than just seeing names and emails. If you use it correctly, you can understand buyer behavior, improve communication, and grow your business faster. First, sign into your Shopify admin and open the customer section. Here you'll see a complete list of everyone who has interacted with your store. You can view customer details like order history, contact information, locations, and spending patterns. Now click on any customer profile. This page gives you valuable insights like how many times they've purchased, what products they prefer, and their total lifetime value. Yeah, this helps you decide who your loyal customers really are. One powerful feature is customer tags. You can tag customers as VIP, repeat buyer, wholesale, or anything that fits your business. These tags make it easier to filter customers later and send targeted messages. Shopify also lets you create customer segments. Segments automatically group customers based on rules, like people who ordered more than once or customers who haven't purchased recently. So this saves a lot of time compared to manual sorting. If you want better communication, you can add notes to customer profiles. Notes are useful for tracking special requests, complaints, or personal preferences. Your team can see these notes and respond more professionally. You should also regularly review customer activity and engagement. This helps you identify inactive customers and plan re-engagement offers, like discounts or email campaigns. Another important thing is managing customer privacy and data. Always follow data protection rules and make sure customer information is handled securely inside Shopify. By using customer profiles, tags, segments, and notes together, you can manage customers in Shopify like a pro. It's not complicated, but it makes a huge difference in how smoothly your store runs. So, yeah, that's how to manage customers in Shopify step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.